Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you a profitable trading strategy that you can use to trade the crypto markets and make profits consistently. It's about trading using a strategy called a dual trading strategy. And if you check the YouTube channel previously last year, there are some videos I uploaded on that, and a lot of people also were part of it as at then. And now I am bringing the update freshly on this strategy. Now it has to do with trading an asset, meaning you long one asset and you short one asset. Trading has to do with trading the direction of the market and therefore making profits. But if the market is going the other way, if you long the market and it's going short, you'll be making loss. But now, what if you can take advantage of the market and trade the market while you are shorting and longing at the same time? But in this case, you will not be using the same asset. For example, you will not be longing BTC at the same time short BTC. There's something they call correlation. So we trade two correlated pairs against each other. You trade two correlation pairs against each other. So after making your analysis, getting the pairs you want to use, analyzing it, and understanding when there is opportunity to trade the market, you just go and open the trade. For example, I'll be trading. I've made my analysis. I'll be trading ADA now. I'll short ADA. Use Let me use 10x leverage. Don't just copy my video blindly, please. Okay, so I will use ADA and I open the trade with 100. So I short ADA then against Ethereum. Don't forget, I've made my analysis before doing this. So don't just go and open ADA and open okay. Now this is 1010. Okay, I think there is a mistake somewhere here based on the leverage. Okay, I select 10 leverage, so it will be 1000. Sorry for that. So I will add to the position now. Let me just add 900 to it. Let me add 900 to it. Yes. So what am I doing? I'm buying Ethereum. Market price, don't forget market price. I'm buying Ethereum. So 800. The reason I'm selecting 800, I would have just dragged this and I was doing 900. So let me just take 100 more. Okay, now, and I go with ADA now. Again, I short ADA, I select 900. Okay, now I've just opened the trade. Then I allow it to run for a while. So now there are two possibilities when you open trade like this. Possibility one is that is either ADA ends in loss and Ethereum ends in profits, but the one in profit must be more than the one on loss. So by the time you close the PS, you should be on by the time you close the trade, you should be on profit. Okay, you should be on profit. It's just a simple technique, correlation. But your own challenge is, how do I get the correlated pairs? Do I just trade the pairs anyhow because they are correlated? What are the risks involved, risk management, and so on and so forth? So in case you want to learn how to trade this market using the dual trading strategy, you can send a message on Telegram at Truewealth 001, or you can also join our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel join our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel, Truewealth. Here you can see Truewealth, TM/Truewealth. So we used to drop signals. There is we have a lot of video. You can consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. In case you are fresh, you are new to this YouTube channel, just smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. In case I'm uploading any video, I've just uploaded a video today now on ChatGPT. You can also watch that. Okay, so we drop updates, and these are also signals. We drop free signals daily, and so on and so forth. And here's an example of the draw trading strategy. This is one of the students giving a testimony of the draw trade. This is how it works. You can see. So in case you will, and also learn how to trade the market profitably, send a message on Telegram at Truewealth001. And for today, tomorrow, as at when you are watching this video, there is a discount I'll be releasing to you. Normally we do it for $29 to learn this trading strategy properly, but I'll be releasing it to you for just 50% at 50% discount, meaning you'll be paying $14.5 instead of $29. I've seen others do it for $49, $100, but we do it at the lowest here. And also, if in case you want to join our VIP signal group costs $25 for a month, but for the ongoing promotion that I feel like just having a lot of people on the VIP signal group, I'll be releasing it for just, as you can see, you pay $10. So that is it. You pay $10. That is not for dual trading strategy. I'm joining our Telegram channel and send a message, and you will be a part of this. So this is the trade. And it's running. And the risk is the same thing, and then the liquidation is so far. So, and everything will surely end in profit. So in case you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider smashing the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button, like this video, and you can also drop your questions on the comments, your opinions, share the video with your friends. And thank you so much. See you in our next video.